Hello and a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have tried to decode the derivative data based on the open interest among all the participants after today, March 16th weekly expiry. On the face of it, FIIs have added more bearishness and no guessing. You get it right, no prizes for that. Clients have added more bullishness to their already bullish positions. So let's start with the index futures and how things are looking going ahead from here onwards. So the FIIs, even today, even on the bounce today, on the recovery, weak opening and all, continue to add fresh shorts and very little longs added. Is a ratio of 1:9 uh, among FIIs. So for every one FII long, there are nine uh, lots of FII shorts. One lot to nine lots approx is the ratio now. Quite an extreme scenario right now. They're still adding shorts there. The domestic institutionals, very little covering today from them, and not too much. For that, they bought some puts also, and they went on to short some stocks at the same time, even shorting calls. So FDI today a little bit bearish on the derivative side. It's quite natural because of the amount of cash buying they had to do today in the market, in the cash segment. That's a hedge from them. The Pro Desk, which is usually does a copy paste of what the FI does in the futures, today doing the contra. They have covered shorts, some longs reduced also out here, but overall gross buyers today. Clients continue to add long. So there's a lot of short covering from those clients, people like you, me, and all the world in the retail world who are bearish covered their short, some of them, and some added longs also today. So we've got another increase in net longs from clients out here. Now let's see what the FII desk today was doing in index futures. They shorted almost 9,600 net shorts in Nifty future, 10,000 in Bank Nifty futures, uh, Fin Nifty negligible out there, but almost same in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So in both the cases, they are equally bearish. It's not just that they are looking at a heavily one side bearish. Both ways, they continue to be bearish like that. So yesterday was a mild covering from them. Today they are back to their shortings. In the index calls, this ratio yesterday was for 1 to 3.05. Today it's come down to 1 for 2.5 at the start of a new expiry from tomorrow. Remember, today lots of contracts got expired. So the carry forward scenario slightly, marginally better than what it was yesterday. The in the index options from the prop desk starts the new expiry with a huge short. That's a large short position taken starting with that only straight away almost 2 lakhs call short from them. They are also holding a mild short in the options or puts also 47,000 approx. This isn't too much compared to that. So almost 1:4 coming from them there. So they are seeing lower, milder downside, but definitely not going up straight away at the expiry start. Clients, on the other hand, had a lot of options which expired today. And so they are not starting the new series with long calls, very little long calls, almost flat. So either this is a bunch of clients, long, short on clients, or a 1:1 spread kind of stuff started with for most of the clients. So they're mildly net negative, which could mean that they are not very sure of the upside, but they definitely do not see downside happening. Look at the amount once again on the puts they have out there in the shorts. Again, above 5 lakh net short in quotes. This is huge. In spite of today's expiry, in spite of this expiry, they must have seen 17,600 to 16,850 on the downside. So a lot of puts which must have gone deep in the money have been again rolled into different strikes of the coming set series or the next ones like that. So good amount of shots there. Clients continue to be bullish about the market at all stages of them. In stock futures, now before we go that, sorry, let's look at the FII desk today, how they went about it. So they're actually net buyers in options today all across uh, among all the segments. That's why that ratio came down from 1:1 for 3 to 1 for 2.5 from the FIIs. So on the futures, they bearish. In the options, marginally reduction of bearishness from them. The stock futures, uh, again, FIIs, massive shorting done, massive shorting done out here. So they must be looking at some segment, some sector which they feel is in a major breakdown happening, which they have hit very badly today. They continue to hit there. FIIs, domestic institutions, already said they are again added some short. This is cash buying being hedged by them. The prop desk marginally short today compared to their longs, marginally short in that. Clients, look at the buying from clients today. So virtually you can see that the FII's fresh shorting has been provided by clients fresh long. So 22,700 approx contracts of the FIIs and 28,000 contracts from the clients. So matching happening out there. One side very bullish, one side very bearish going forward. In the option side, stock options, we can see a little bit of stock of buying from the FIIs out here, little bit. Also puts marginally done out there with just 2 more weeks to go for this 5 week settlement. So some buying coming from them, they must have seen uh, a very low premium in the calls out there. That's why that coming. Same is happening with the prop desk. Prop desk, in fact, doing some put shorting out here. So little bit of bullishness seen from the prop desk uh, in that segment. They want calls also. Yeah. While the clients today saw a call shorting. Again, if we go to see the value 8,686 with almost 14,000, this could be a large bunch of clients going for a one long, two short uh, out of the money call strike or some strategy happening out there. So overall, they remain bullish. While they've also done some put covering uh, out here. So and added fresh puts out here. So strangely, they are doing put buying now while they are aggressively bullish on stock futures and index futures and index calls. For tomorrow, once again, 17,150 remains the wall. It was a wall for the last 3 days. It continues to be one. The resist above that, if it can sustain above 150, we could see a move go towards 325, which also is a huge wall now because it spent a lot of time below that level. On the downside, the support is at today's low, 16,850. Very, very crucial, very extremely crucial support line. In fact, Nifty weekly close will, if they want to see some rise, will try to close it above 16,900. If 16,850 also does not hold, then the gap up area at 16,650 becomes the next support. With that, I end this video. I hope it's of help to you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And happy trading to everyone. Bye bye.